What's up, guys? I'm gonna make this kind of short and sweet because we already had action. Just sewing on the camera. But oh yeah, so we're burbot fishing, by the way. We are out on Lake Winnebago in the hub shack. I got the gill-o-tine going. Krista has a camera, which we already saw a burbot on, and I think I'm snagging rocks on the gill-o-tine. I'm gonna have to fix that, but yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Hopefully we get some.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, Krista's hooked up.
Holy cats.
Careful, careful. Krista got a burbot.
I got my first burbot.
Holy man. Alright. That is a good start.
Don't let him go.
Wow.
I caught my first burbot.
Krista's first burbot. Holy crap, his jaw is strong. Wow. Alright. Burbot number 1.
I don't want a picture with you. Can I get a picture with you?
Look at that. Perfect.
Oh, that's bright.
Perfect. Got one.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yep. The gill-o-tine got one. Yes.
Got a burbot.
I knew this thing was gonna frickin' kill him. I just got the gill-o-tine on program 9, so it's doing a little twitch, and the bait's right on bottom, so the bait's just flip-flopping on bottom. Got one.
You better catch one now.
I know, I'm getting beat.
Oh, my shoes.
Shoes coming. Oh, I see one. A big one. A big one. I got him.
Nice.
It's a giant. Oh, it looked bigger than that. Holy crap. Stay on there, baby. Oh, he's going nuts. Definitely a bigger one. Holy crap. Holy man.
Get that thing in.
That's a big one. Holy man. Come on, baby. Oh, he's coming up backwards. Yeah, I got him.
That is a nice one.
Oh, sweet.
Pretty.
How awesome is that?
Good job. That was a fatty.
Yeah. He just frickin' hammered it. These fish are so cool. Look at that. It's like so hard to get their jaw open. It's crazy.
Strong. That must have been the one we saw.
Pretty big one. Alright. Burbot number 3. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
That's probably the biggest one.
There's one right by the bait.
Really? Jiggle it. Oh.
Oh, he's
Oh, he hit the camera. He might be going towards the gill-o-tine.
Oh.
You got one? Krista got one.
It was heavy. Here. Oh, oh, here. I don't know what to do.
Krista got a little one. Yeah, we'll probably throw that one back.
Why?
He's small.
Who cares? Oh, there's another one.
I know. Okay. There's Krista's little one. Let him go.
Baby.
See ya. Oh, got one. Another little one. There he is. He's not too bad.
Oh no, he's not bad at all.
That's a keeper.
Oh yeah.
Holy mackerel.
Good job, Joe.
Settle down.
Joe's kicking her butt.
I think they like this orange spoon on there. All right. Burbot number 5.
4.
Don't we have 3 in the bucket right now? Plus you let one go?
Well, and I lost one, but...
Yeah. Well, either way, getting some good action. Alright guys, so before we lose light here, just wanted to show you what we're using. Same thing as last year if you watched the video. Just a Castmaster. Doesn't really matter what color. Something shiny. And then we're putting minnow tails and heads on the bottom, just loading them up. I gotta put another one on here right now, but that's what we're using. Just bouncing it off the bottom. They come in and just attack it. Pretty cool. Oh, there's one. Oh, get him. He's... Oh, you got him. You got him.
Here, above the camera. Oh, he's right here.
Got him. And a girl. Yes. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Slide him over here. So you can definitely tell if they eat your bait.
Yeah.
Oh, you got him, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
Slack.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Nice, girl. You need another minnow. Krista got one.
Woohoo! You want to put it on there? You said to do that. Oh, there's one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's going for me.
There's not.
Yeah, he was. Oh, he went back the other way. So he went that way.
That way.
Son of a bitch. Usually when there's one, there's more. Damn it. Stirred up. There must be some more around because stirred up the bottom pretty good. Got one.
Nice.
Burbot.
Burbot.
On the gill-o-tine. Sweet. Gill-o-tine doing work.
Right? That's a... Gil is the master burbot
The
catcher.
burbot catcher. Robot jigger.
I'm gonna start calling him Burb.
Not a bad one. Oh, there's one. He's going right for yours. Oh, did he hit it? He's gonna eat it.
Got it.
Nice. Yes.
You gonna grab him?
I can't really reach. Hey, girl.
Gotcha, Burbot.
No. These things are like so slimy and hard to handle.
It just slides out.
I can't get it. Wow.
How many people does it take to grab a burbot?
Gotcha. Krista got one.
Oh.
Alright guys, we're gonna pack her up for the night. Did pretty decent on the burbot. I don't know how many we got, probably like 8 or 10 of them. Let one small one go. Caught quite a few of them on the gill-o-tine. Krista whooped my butt. So, this is a pretty good night. I think we're probably going to have it on the next video, but I'm going to do a catch, clean, cook for this video. So, there might be 2 videos, but keep your eye out for that. I'm going to show you how to clean them, and we're going to cook them a couple different ways for you. So, see which one's the best. But we'll show you what we got tonight. Have Krista dump them out. Nice. That one's pretty big.
Yeah, it is.
How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep.
Not bad. That one's pretty big. Hold that one up. You can grab him in his mouth if you want. Oh yeah. That's a pretty good one. Very nice. Nice. Alright, see you on the next video.